Happy birthday, Nay. Wish ko lang sa'yo is good health.
Pasalamat kami sa isang magandang buhay na naman na binigay sa aming nanay, Nanay Loleng. Andito kami, Nay, gagabay sa'yo. Sana maging malakas ka lagi at wag na wag mong pababayaan ang iyong sarili.
If we hold on tight, we'll keep going till we reach new heights, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good. We won't let go. We'll keep pushing through the highs and lows, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good.
Sana patuloy ka pa maging malakas para magabayan kami hanggang sa pangtandaan namin, hanggang ma-achieve na namin yung mga pangarap namin sa buhay.
Hi, Nay! Happy birthday! Ang wish ko lang, sana samahan mo pa kami ng mahabang mahaba pa.
Happy birthday, Nanay! Happy birthday, Madam Loleng! Yay! Happy birthday, Madam Loleng!
If we hold on tight, we'll keep going till we reach new heights, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good. We won't let go.
Hello, Nay! Finally, this is it. This is your big day. Happy birthday, Nanay. Sana mapasaya ka namin.
We're on to something good. On to something good. That lines the sky. We'll let it be our guide. And if we hold on tight, we'll keep going till we reach new heights, going further than we ever thought we could. Yeah, we're on to something good. We won't let go. We'll keep pushing through the highs and lows, going further than we ever thought we could. Yeah, we're on to something good.
Happy birthday, Nanay. This day is so special for you. And always remember that you are beautiful and don't care what they said to you. And always remember that there is someone who love you, and that is Tatay. I hope that you enjoy this day and just always remember that there is someone who is loving you. And always have a good health and happy birthday again, Señora De Lolita. Wish you all the best and I love you.
It's real because every wrinkle tells the story of the places you have been. Countless ocean hours.
Hindi niya naitatanong. Very close kami hanggang ngayon at saka very proud ako sa kanya kahit anong kasipagan niya ay ito yung mga anak niya ngayon, ang mga naging produkto niya. Sa ngalan ng aming pamilya, ng kakambal ng tatay, we are very proud of you sa kasipagan mo. Happy birthday. Love you.
If you feel a little tired, it's because you've come so far, and your eyes reflect the grace you have received. Oh, you made it through the fire. It's what made you who you are. Now it shines like strands of silver, and it feels like being free. Countless ocean hours.
Nanay, action speaks louder than words. Here's my gift to you. Happy birthday. Dream ko to kay Nanay eh. Supposed to be, they will be having their wedding sana ni Tatay. Kaya, Nay, sana napasaya kita. Diba? Happy birthday.
Growing older. Every woman has a history like a priceless work.
Nakala salamat ka rin meron munta Maring kalaguran ko, siping kong bali, ang pore pisang ko lubaw, ang pore kakyalang ko kay kwawo, at wala naman. Diyan kala salamat kay kayungan po. Sa mga anak ko, kahit paano, binigyan akong kasiyahan, lalong-lalo na si Mark Joseph. Away kami ng away, pero binibigyan rin niya yung gusto ko. Thank you!
That will only bloom with age, learning how to love who you are along the way. You're growing